Since our founding in 1984, we have grown from a small factory into a global leader in hair product manufacturing with over 40 years of industry experience. We operate 3 modern factories located in Qingdao and Yucheng, China, and Bangladesh, with a total workforce of near 500 employees. Whether it's traditional craftsmanship or modern technology, we excel in meeting diverse customer needs. Our team has mastered every aspect of hair product manufacturing, ensuring consistent product quality. Our products are exported to over 50 countries, with a strong foothold in Europe, North America, and Australia. We understand the unique needs of different markets and provide customized solutions to help our clients succeed locally. Our clients include renowned brands, wholesalers, and retailers who highly value our product quality and service. We implement rigorous quality checks to ensure every item meets high standards. We partner with leading international logistics providers to ensure fast and secure delivery to clients worldwide.